For the next side of our playground, let's create some simple bars. We'll draw a circle on the inside of this pillar, but before starting the circle, hover on this midpoint inference for 2 seconds. This creates a focus on this point and gives us an inference so that we can start our circle on the center of the pillar. Now draw a circle using this reference with a radius of 1 inch. Pull this circle across to the opposite pillar, inferring to that edge for an exact length. With our bar created, let's select it all and make it a component. So why did we make it a component? Remember the rule for components. If you are going to make one object, a group is fine. But if you're going to make 2 or more, you should use components. That's right, we're going to copy this bar several times so we can introduce arrays. Creating arrays correctly requires a series of steps, so follow along carefully and don't worry if you need to try a few times to get the hang of it. Arrays are created by making one copy first, then telling Sketchup to make some number of additional copies. So we'll start by selecting and moving our bar. Click once to start moving, then press Ctrl or Option on a Mac to move a copy instead. Make sure you are moving it in the blue axis and click to finish the move where you think the second bar should go. Now type 4x and press Enter for 4 total copies. While still in the array function, type 3x and press Enter for 3 copies instead. It is important that you immediately create your array after moving the component. If you choose another tool or click a different key, you will exit the array function. If this happens, and it will sometimes, simply undo and create your first copy again, then enter the number of copies you wish, followed by X, and press Enter to accept. As with all these concepts we are introducing, there is more depth to arrays than what we can cover here, so something to look forward to in later courses. For now, let's continue with this playground.